Welcome to this KCSE Business Studies revision. Today, we learn about the cash book and petty cash book. What is a cash book? A cash book is a special ledger used to record all cash and bank transactions. It acts both as a journal and a ledger, and it replaces the cash account in the ledger. Different types of the cash book. There are three main types of cash book. We have the single column, then number 2 the double column, and number 3 the triple column cash book. Let's go to the single column cash book. The single column cash book records only cash transactions. For example, paying cash for goods or receiving cash from sales. Number 2, we have the double column cash book. The double column cash book has two columns, the cash and the bank. It records both cash and bank transactions. For example, depositing money into the bank or withdrawing cash for office use. Then we have the triple column cash book. The triple column cash book has three columns. We have cash, bank, and discounts. It is useful when a business regularly allows or receives discounts during the settlement of debt. Then we have the petty cash book. The petty cash book is used to record small day-to-day expenses. This includes paying bus fare, buying stamps, or purchasing stationery in the business. Then we have the Imprest System. In the Imprest System, the petty cashier is given a fixed float of money, for example, 2,000 shillings. They record all expenses and keep receipts for the day. At the end of the period, they are reimbursed to restore the float. This ensures accountability and control. Cash books and petty cash books are important because they are accurate records, help detect fraud, they save time for the main cashier, and provide proof of payment. So let's do a recap. In summary, the cash book can be single, double, or triple column. The petty cash book handles small expenses, and the Imprest system ensures accountability through a fixed float. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on the cash book and petty cash book. In our next episode, we will go a step further and tackle a KCSE-style practical question. I'll show you exactly how to prepare a cash book and petty cash book the way examiners expect. Don't miss it. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Comment below which other business topic you'd want me to cover before KCSE exams. See you in the next video.